Hey guys, this is Aldridge here, and today we got another package from Adidas. I pretty much have a clue with what this is because this is what we ordered. And let's just get unboxing. I can't find. Alright, so here's this thing. I don't know how I should be opening this. Let's open it this way. I hope I don't scratch any of the boxes. Why does mine doesn't... What? Oh, what? Okay, I was expecting 2 boxes. This was kind of a letdown, but I got this for 50% off, so why not? So these are my slides. I got these for half the retail, which is 800 pesos. So yeah, it's less than $20. It's about what? I can't convert right now. Anyway, it's less than $20, and yeah, these are the slides. I'm not pretty sure what size did I get. I took a size 9. I hope this fits. Although it looks like it fits. But this is just an ADIDAS comfort slides, and you know, I'm already wearing slides right now actually. But my other slides, the Jordan ones, not the Jordan 1. I mean the Jordan slides that I have, I've been using it for basketball outside. Somehow I managed to destroy the outsole of my Jordan slides that I use for basketball. So yeah, that's why I got those. But this one, this is actually nice, and this will be my sister's because she was somehow looking for slides. I don't know why. She doesn't need them. She just, you know, wanted them. And these are the slides. Wait, I thought the outsoles were also on the same design. Anyway, these are the slides. These have like floral, no, not really. Yeah, it's floral, a floral design. This is a women's. It has a white outsole, as you guys can see. Of course, the Adidas 3 stripes on top. Let's rip mine open because I'm gonna use this soon. Just kidding, I'm not gonna rip the paper off. Oh wait, I think I just did. Okay, I destroyed some part of it, but that's fine. These are mine. This will be like a regular... I don't know if I'm gonna use this inside or outside. I'll probably use this outside. And if you guys can see, my sister has this... Oh wait, this one's much stiffer. Ooh, I got the right slides. This one's much, you know, much harder for the foot. I mean, I don't know if she'll mind that. But this one's much more comfortable, and it's soft. I don't know if it's softer than what I'm wearing. Right now I'm wearing these. My dad got these for free from his work. Oh yeah, it's as soft as this one. Hey, look, I got 2 slides from Adidas right now. This one's the old one. I think this is a size 10, which, you know, fits fine, and this one should fit fine too, although it's a bit smaller. My feet is in the middle of 9 and 10. So yeah, these are just 2 things that we got during the Adidas 50% off. I don't know when was that, but I'm sure it was with Nike's Energy Week. So yeah, this one actually is $20. So SRP is $40. These things I'll probably switch out for the Jordan 1 slide. Not the Jordan 1 slides. These things I'm gonna switch out for the Jordan slides that I got. I always loved those because they were adjustable. The top was adjustable. Wait, I'm gonna take them. So these are the slides that I've been beating so much now. So if you guys can see the outsole is pretty much non-existent. The grooves are like flat already. And even the Jumpman logo is... This one's slippery, like when it's raining outside, it's just slippery. That's why I needed a new one. And so yeah, I got these. I don't know if I can wear them during raining season. Although I'm just scared that the midsole would, you know, get destroyed and get wet, soaking wet. Those are our current slides. You see guys, you see this? It's adjustable, so if it's like too small, then you could always adjust it. But of course, this thing has its limit, especially if you use it for basketball. So yeah, don't use your slides for basketball. You'll just destroy them at a quicker rate. Although I got those Jordan slides for quite a while. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Go follow me on Instagram at thisisaldridge, cause why not? Stay safe, God bless. See you guys in the next one.